This is the large foldable Vaesida snack organizer and storage basket with a thick and sturdy removable bottom that can be quickly divided up into up to 8 compartments. It's easy to clean and folds compactly for storage. It is just perfect. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. Here is the tri-fold base. It's a really thick, heavy-duty, maybe cardboard. Really strong, and then it's covered in a nice fabric. It does have a little pull tab here so you can easily pull it out. And then here is the huge container. You can divide it in the middle. There's so many ways that you can divide this. So first you're going to kind of maneuver this to be all out of the way on the side. So here it is, you can have the full thing open. That's when you throw your tri-fold board down, make sure that that pull tab is upward so it'll be easy to get out. So that goes down there. And this is how it'll look if you have the whole thing open. And then from here, you can start kind of moving this around so you can have divided in half. In the front, you have 2 clear sections here. On the side, 1 little mesh bag. On each side, nothing in the back. And then here, you've got 2 elastic bands. Really flexible how you use this. Don't miss these, they were in the box. I almost forgot them, but they're 2 really nice rope pieces that you can attach to the outside here on both sides as handles. They really look nice. And then don't forget your user's manual. It really goes over nicely how to use all the parts. This is the most you can divide it up into 8 little squares. And then as I showed you, you can also do it just in 2 squares and random sections you can make. Just really flexible how you use it, how you decorate it. Oh my goodness, this is so handy for filling up and bringing to the sofa or the rec room or whatever, full of snacks for your kids' movie night, for bringing in a car for a road trip, you name it. This thing is so durable and flexible and just really practical. I love these PVC windows for photos. I love it, and I know you will too.